This is a kit that installs on the passenger side of your 20 and 21 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. It's laid out in the position as it installs on the passenger seat. This is the door side in the rear, number 1. This is the inside, number 2. This catches a dowel pin that's in the factory seat track. This catches a dowel pin, the same. And this is your bolt location. And this is the outer one towards the front. This is the all-important bracket that goes back in and installs on top that allows you to reinstall your factory side seat panel. These are the tools you will need to install it. This is the factory bolts. This is a T50 that you'll use for removing the factory seat bolts that you'll hang on to. This is the new bolts that come with the kit. They are metric. They are 12.9 grade, and this is an 8mm socket cap. Those are the tools you'll need to install the kit. First step is to come in and take the factory trim cover off. Put your fingers under it, lift hard, straight up, and it will come loose. Second, slide the seat all the way to the rear and loosen the 2 front T50 Torx bolts here and here, about 2 or 3 turns. Don't take them out yet, just loosen them. These are the blocks laying in front where they're going to install. Now you can stop here, pull the handle, move the seat all the way forward, and you're moving to the rear. Okay, we've slid the seat all the way forward. We come to the back. We are removing the Torx bolts all the way from the rear on each side. Okay, with the bolts out of the rear, tilt the seat forward, take the inside block, feed it to feel the dowel pin go into place, lower it down. This one you can start the bolt here, but on the other side, the door side, you cannot start the bolt yet. Just put the block into place. Okay, because it's going to go into this bracket right here. Okay, that's it for the rear. Come back in. I'm finishing to remove the factory Torx bolts in the front. Raising the seat, 3, forward, catching the dowel pin, 4, to the front, and now I'm installing the trim. Okay, I'm coming back in now, and I'm snugging up the new longer bolts. On the inside, they're just snug, they're not tight. Pulling the seat lever, moving the seat forward, and I can reach back and now go through the cover plate and install the rear bolt. You can now go around and snug up tight all of the 8mm bolts. This is the new bracket. This is your trim panel. Goes back in exactly into the factory slots that it used to. That's it. You're installed.